Today we learn an average with example. The given observation or data is x, which is distributed among the n observations as x1, x2 and so on xn. The formula of average is average equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. Hence, the sum of observations will be x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn upon there are total n observations. Thus, the number of observations is n. Average is denoted by x bar and the sum of observations is denoted by sigma x. Thus, the formula of average is x bar equal to sigma x upon n. Example. The obtained marks by Ram in 5 tests are following. Then find the marks in each test, or there are marks obtained by Ram in 5 tests. Then what will be the marks in each test? This problem deals with an average. Thus, the marks obtained by Ram in 5 tests are following: 10, 7, 8, 5 and 10. The formula of average is x bar equal to sum of observations 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 upon number of observations. There are n observations. Thus, n equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus, the number of observations is 5. By simplifying, 40, 10, 17, 25, 30 plus 10, 40 by 5 equal to 8 marks per test. This is the required average. This is the marks obtained by Ram in each test. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.